Alright guys, welcome to another fun unboxing, hopefully. Let's see what we have. And while I do this, I'm going to give a big shout out to Captain Drone. It's one of the channels that I really love these days. Also Drone Camps, Joshua Bardwell, Rotor Riot, and a bunch of others. Boy, am I struggling with this. I'm sure this could be easier. What do we have here? This looks cool already. Oh, man. They packaged this too well. I'm not really complaining. But, oh, goodness me. What is this cool thing right here? Wow, look at this. It is the Novice 2 from Eacheen. And it looks fantastic. Alright, so in the next video I'm going to open this up and talk about what this is. Thanks for watching, guys.